The flat iron is derived from the front quarter of the upper blade section. It is comprised of the infraspinatus muscle and typically has a weight range of 2.5 to 3 kilograms or 6 to 7 pounds. Like other cuts from the chuck, the flat iron has that robust beef flavor and requires aging to allow those flavors to develop and maximize on its tenderness. The flat iron performs best when grilled, but can be roasted, braised, or sautéed as well. This muscle takes some skill to fabricate. If cut incorrectly, the flat iron may underperform for your consumers. The connective tissue that runs through the middle of the muscle almost from end to end must be removed prior to cooking, as it will not soften to any acceptable degree. Trim any loose meat and locate the band of connective tissue. Remove by sliding your knife into the muscle below the connective tissue and follow along the length of the cut. Repeat this process on the other side, completely removing the connective tissue, and discard. You now have two similar portions of equal size that can be processed easily. Choose your size and cut across the grain. Any excess trim can be used for other applications, such as stir-fries and sautés. The flat iron is an outstanding beef cut when prepared correctly. It is a unique cut and highly regarded for its tenderness and flavor, an opportunity to create a point of differentiation in your counter.